Okay, I wanted to show you guys a video. I've been trying to take cedar and cut cups out of it. And this is done with a brad point 3/8. Is that 3/8 or half? No, it's not a half. Anyhow, what I did is I took that brad point, drilled, and cut that bottom off, and then I took a chisel and kind of broke down in between there and made cracks like that. I didn't clean all this up because I'm learning, and I did the same. I tried it twice. That one I did clean a little bit. These are the two that I tried. I put a wood cutting blade on a metal bandsaw, and that was the first one, and this was the second one, and I scalloped some more out of it. But what I was wanting to show you is that there's a different style of mug. Yesterday I had my metal cutting blade on, and yeah, you would fall down right now. And I had my metal cutting blade on there. It's a bandsaw. And I thought I'll try something new. And so this one I could actually probably glue up and it would turn out okay. And it would be just a square hole. But that's a different style of a mug that I have not seen out there anybody make. So I thought I'd show you guys that. I can't get that daggum thing to stay up there. Oh, that's the reason why. Okay, there you go. See the T? I marked all them for top, and I had that in upside down. But I could probably still clean it up. I got the plug in the bottom. I could probably make a mug out of that and epoxy coat it. But I was wanting to show you guys that because it's a different style. Now these do overlap like that. So they're, well, fall over. So you see there is plenty of room for the glue to get around that. That'd be a lot of damn gluing. Anyhow, I wanted to show you guys this. I haven't seen anybody do this, so I thought I'd do that. So anyhow, I wanted to show this off to you. I'm experimenting, you know, I'm trying to learn and do what I can. But I wanted to show you guys this because this is new style. Y'all may be interested in it. I don't know. But anyhow, thought I'd show it to you. You guys have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next video.